Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to move files from your laptop to your mobile phone. So how to do that? Simply open your this PC or Windows File Explorer, okay? And you can see here there is this PC, local disk, backup, and no volume. You can simply connect your mobile phone with your laptop with a USB cable. I'm using Type C. So after connecting that, your phone will be ask for three functions, which way you can simply tell transferring media files or USB tethering, transferring images. But actually, I'm selecting transferring file or Android Auto option. So I will get this pop-up, and you can see here my S25 Ultra is here. So I'm opening this one and opening DCIM camera folder and YT02. This is my target folder. You can see here, and I'm opening another folder. You can see here, this is my video folders. Okay, I want to copy all of this. I want to move all of this file to my phone. So selecting all file from here by using selecting this file, and by using shift key, you can simply select all of those files and right click, then select cut option. You can see here, this is the cut option. After selecting cut option, you can see here all files will be blinked, okay, blurred. So come back to the YT02 folder where I need to paste these files or move to these files. For right click, then select paste. Okay, you can see here within seconds all files move to my S25 Ultra from my Windows 11 OS. So in this way, you can simply move any files or folders from your Windows laptop to your Android mobile. So very simple. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.